videos.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Southview neighborhood of Calgary, Alberta, a welcoming community with a rich history and a beautiful setting. Located in the southeast part of the city, Southview is bordered by the Bow River to the north and the picturesque Fish Creek Provincial Park to the west, offering residents easy access to nature and outdoor activities. The neighborhood was established in the 1960s and was named for its location in the southern part of the city, providing a clear and simple identity for its residents. Whether you're enjoying a walk along the river or exploring the nearby parks, Southview is a delightful place to call home. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!